Hey y'all, it's Stacy with southernbite.com. Do you have a recipe that calls for buttermilk and you're totally out? Well, there's no reason to run to the grocery store. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy buttermilk substitute in today's lesson. So what is buttermilk? Essentially, buttermilk is just fermented milk. Now, traditionally speaking, buttermilk was the liquid that was left over after the churning of butter. It was a low-fat product that was commonly left to sour overnight or ferment overnight and then would be used. Now, most commercially available buttermilk these days is not left out overnight to ferment, but they add active cultures to it and those speed up that fermentation process. That's why you'll see a label that says cultured buttermilk. So, if you need buttermilk for a recipe and you don't have any, let me show you a really easy way to make a buttermilk substitute. I'm going to start with my measuring vessel here. I'm going to create 1 cup of a buttermilk substitute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an acid to this. That acid can be in the form of fresh lemon juice or a type of vinegar like a white vinegar or a champagne vinegar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 1 tablespoon of either that lemon juice or the white vinegar into my measuring cup here. And then I'm going to add enough regular milk, either whole milk or low fat. Traditionally, buttermilk is low fat because of the process, but you can use either one. I'm going to add enough milk to make 1 cup. I'm going to stir this together, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to thicken up and have that tangy smell just like buttermilk, and it's going to work perfectly in your recipe.